Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can get verified on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look at the search bar that is in your taskbar and click on the search bar and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard and the TikTok interface will be opened. Now you have to look at the top right corner. There is a circular icon. You just have to click on that circular icon and a pop-up box will be opened. And inside the pop-up box in the middle there is setting option. Just click on the settings option, and when you are on the settings option and manage account section, you just have to scroll down a little bit, and when you scroll down a little bit you will be able to see business account. So firstly, in order to verify, you just need to enable your business account, and when you have enabled your business account you just have to go back to the main screen and just look at the top right corner and again click on the circular icon, and in the pop-up box there is feedback and help section. You just have to click on the feedback and help section, and you have to scroll down to the bottom and there is a report a problem on the left hand side. Just click on that text, and here you can write about your problems and upload media. So you can just write here, how can I get verified, or I want to get verified, and to support that you just need to enter the media that you want to enter in order for them to verify that you are a certified TikTok user. And when you have uploaded the media as well, then you can just click on the submit button and your feedback will be submitted or your question will be submitted and TikTok will review, and if you are eligible then you will be able to get verified on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.